Welcome to Cloud Institution YouTube channel, the best software training institute. So today we are going to discuss what is Azure. So let's discuss what is static web hosting. Static web hosting in Azure Storage allows you to host HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and image file directly from a blob storage container. It provides a cost-effective, scalable solution for serving static content over the web using a public endpoint without needing web server or complex backend infrastructure. So basically, when you're talking about static web hosting in Azure, it achieves using Azure Storage with static website features. It allows you to host static content such as HTML file, CSS file, JavaScript, and image directly from the storage account. You simply upload your file to the web container and configure the index and error document. Azure automatically serves the content over HTTPS with the help of public endpoint. It is very cost effective and scalable solution ideal for static sites like protocols or documentation. You can also integrate with Azure CDN for fastest global delivery and custom domain for branding. No backend server or VM is needed. So when you go to the demo section, you'll be getting more information or you'll get more idea. Okay, so we'll go to the demo section. So I'll create a storage account. Okay, so I'm giving a storage account called as, or I'll give a resource name called as Cloud Institution, and I'll give a storage. So storage account should be in a unique name, right? So I'll click a region, so that is East US, and I'll search for I'll give for the primary service. The primary service will be Azure Files. Okay. Next, after that, I'll go to the next option and I'll enable anonymous access and individual container option. I'll be enabling it. Why? Because to get a public container or to get a public storage. Then I'll click towards the review plus create. So after review plus create, what happens? If the validation is passed, you can see create option is here, right? So we'll click create. So you can see it is initializing deployment. So we'll wait for the initializing deployment. So you can see my storage account has been deployed, right? So I'll go to resource. So when you go to resource, when you search static website, okay, so when you search for the static, you can see static website, right? So when you open static website, right now it is in disabled. Okay, it will show as a disabled. So you have to convert as a enable and you have to give a index document file. So I'll give index.html as a folder name. Why? Because if you want to create an HTML folder or Java, according to that file name, you have to convert as a .html name. Okay. Then I'll click towards the save option. So after clicking save, what we have to do is we have to upload the folder. Okay. To upload that folder, what you have to do is we'll go. That means we'll go back to the storage account and we'll use container. Okay. So in this container, you can see container option is there, right? So we'll click towards the container and I'll give a web hosting. So I'll give web host. Okay. So this private should be contained as a block. Okay. Then I'll click create option. So after clicking create, what happens is that we'll open this web host and we'll click towards the upload. Okay. So we'll click on upload and I'll click towards the browser for files. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach a zip file. That means already one CSS template has already downloaded. Okay. To get that CSS template, what you have to do is when you go to the browser, I'll show you. When you go to the browser and when you search for the CSS template, you'll get a default or a demo websites and everything. So it will be a zip file. Okay. So you have to change that zip file into unzip. Okay, so you can get number of options from here. So already I downloaded. Okay, so I'll click towards the browser for file and I'll select one folder. Okay, so I'll click open and I'll attach. So you can see 99 files is there. Then I'll click towards the upload option. So you can see the files has been uploaded. So after this file has been uploaded, what you have to do is you have to open this SBS HTML. So let it finish this. So it's done. So we'll go to the SBS HTML. So you can see index.html, right? So when you open that index.html and when you copy this URL and when you paste it and when you click enter, you can see the website has been hosted. You can see this is the website. This is the default website which I have downloaded and which I have updated or which I have uploaded inside the storage with the help of container. So I think the information is given as a good manner and everything. And if you like our channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And for more information, contact Cloud Institution. Thank you.